$4,000 or 5 days in jail. Me that think about the 5 days, you know. first ticket ever. It nearly made me end up in a jail. I think I guilty me did plea with explanation, because what I find out says that when you plead guilty, when you plead not guilty, judge now a year, not more. Judge just a set a court date for you, so you have to come back a court one next day. Well, go on my YouTube family. You don't know your girl DJ Dalvide live on direct. Yeah, man. And I'm here to tell you guys about this ticket. Yeah, the first traffic ticket I may ever get. Nearly make me end up in a jail. Yeah, man. The first ticket ever. It nearly make me end up in a jail. Partially. Anyways, I could talk about it. Yeah, man, I could talk about it. Alright, so the first ticket I get was in 2022. If you guys remember, yeah, man, all Jamaicans do tune into Wagwan, you know what I mean, Jamaica, same way. Yeah, me I tell the people overseas who tune into Jamaica, and the people who there we know Wagwan. Anyways, if you guys remember back in 2022, when they have, I think it was like a backlog, yeah, I think it was a backlog they have, yeah, where persons have a lot of tickets, people have up to all 100 tickets. Me I wonder how comes people there they have so much ticket. Yeah, man, so then they have a backlog, and you know them did make people come in and pay less than the amount where them would have paid for all the whole heap of ticket. Them call it honesty, yes. So them they have a honesty go on. Yeah, man, so during that time, them they have the backlog and some little issues with the whole system thing and ticket for upload on the system and things. So anyways, I was driving from Portmore again to Portland, but then time I'm reaching Portland already. Yeah, man, but I not reach final destination yet. So me stopping at Buff Bay. Yeah, man, so me stopping at Buff Bay to pick up a friend, and the friend had a friend with them. Yeah, it was a male, so him and a girl did that travel at the time. Yeah, so me pick up my friend. I really my cousin still. Yeah, me don't only say friend. Yeah, yeah. So me pick him up, and he must say two of them are travel. So you know him not go left the girl. So two of them coming out the car. Plus me they have passengers in the car already. Yeah, man. So me have passengers in the car already. So them coming out the car kind of make the car overload, but no to no big extent. You know what I mean? It just was one person over at the time. So you know the car license to carry 5 persons, and at the time I had 6. So anyways, me I go. My final destination was Skibo, so I was heading to Skibo at the time. So anyways, it was when we reached Upper Bullberry Hill, so yeah, Blueberry, you don't know which part of police them always there in Portland, there's up on that stretch there, yeah, man, right above the park, yeah, man, above Lynch Park, right there. So then they up there, so and thing, I stopped vehicle and so on. It was a Sunday, so them stop me now, and me stop and thing, and them I say, all right, me overload, me have more than one person, but me I say, officer, all right, run. That's what me are going to, because whenever they're far away from which part, me are going to turn off to go. Yeah, man. So, anyways, now, they issue me a ticket. So, you know, I get the ticket and thing, and the ticket was, I think it was $2,000. Yes. So, anyways, when me go so boom and me go at the tax office to pay the ticket now, the ticket never depend on the system. I know I never go too early, and I know I never go too late. You know what I mean? I go 2 times. Yeah, so the second time I go, I ask the cashier to stamp the ticket, so in case anything, can see say I make an attempt to pay the ticket. You know what I mean? Because first ticket I get, you know I go pay it. You know what I mean? And just about anybody who get a ticket, I go try to pay it. You know, I do some people no want to pay their ticket, but I pay my ticket because I don't want to end up a courthouse. Anyways, no, me didn't know and the ticket not on the system or nothing, so couldn't get to pay the ticket. So I didn't know things a mile up that. Yes, me think say a mile out that you know say the ticket not upon the system. So me did know one thing and me start tell some other people about the situation and thing. You know, check around and you know you talk to some friends and sorry, even some police officer and people you know go on to. And them a say, John Star, me should have did me should have go to court because you know when you get a ticket, a court date is also on the ticket. Yes. A court date is also on the ticket. So if you don't get to pay the ticket at the tax office, you can appear in court with the date that is on the ticket. Yeah. So me never do that because at the time of the first time I get a ticket, I don't really to know the system like that, you know, just I learn the system. Yes, so anyways, which part am I doing is story? Yeah, so anyways, them say, someone's gonna come out for me, so I keep on checking around, you know what I mean? Keep myself posted to find out what I go on with the someone. Anyways, you know, so I do my yard on Sunday and thing. Good things I live on hilltop, yes. I good things I live by hilltop car, but I don't know if more that they get locked up that day. But anyway, still thank God that never happened. So I'm up on the hilltop when the police them come look for me and thing. Yeah. So the police them now leave a message out of the road. So you know when me did come down, so me I take a Sunday walk out on the road. When I come on the road now, me I get the message and say police them I say, boy, I'm a report up a station. So me I say, oh, report up a station. Me nah go up on a station. Anyways, me not go up on a police station. Me just go so boom and go up on my phone and call the station and thing and find out what go on with the whole warrant. You know what I mean? And them I say, if you come to court the Monday, 10 o'clock. So anyways, I prepare myself and go to court 10 o'clock the next day, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, find myself in a court, John Star. I never know say one little ticket. Yeah, one little 2,000 ticket that make me end up in a court star, John Star. Anyway, it was an experience, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so anyways, I go to court and thing, and when my time come, you know, I go in at the box and thing, and them read out my file, you know, I read out what them for read out and thing, and even remember if I guilty me did play or not guilty, but I think I guilty me did play with explanation because what I find out says that when you play guilty, when you play not guilty, judge now a year, not more. Judge just a set a court date for you, so you have to come back to court one next day. So anyways, I plead guilty with explanation and things. So I explain to the judge and tell her, say, I made an attempt to pay the ticket, but the ticket wasn't on the system and I have the stamp and the ticket to show that I did make an attempt to pay the ticket. So the judge said, I can't quote exactly what she said, but I end up pay the ticket. I end up pay the same amount where the ticket was. Because you know, when you end up a court, it's either you go pay. Most of the time you pay more or you will pay less, depends. You know what I mean? But a lot of times it's more if are you neglectful enough pay the ticket. You know what I mean? If you don't have no good reasoning, you are going to pay more. Yeah, man. So I end up pay the same amount where they on the ticket. Yes, sir. The same $2,000. I pay when they on the ticket. Yeah, man. So I really that go on and thing. Yeah, so I just one of them there. Me never know say that would happen. So to all the persons watching, whenever you get a ticket, make sure you all pay it and thing and just keep track of everything. So you know if you end up in a courthouse, you know what I mean? A date is also on the ticket. So if you don't pay the ticket, you can go to court and rectify it in court. And that was my first time going to court and thing, yeah, man. And there was a second time, yes, The second ticket, I was going to tell you guys this one in another video, but let me just tell you about this second one where I had to make a second visit to the court. And one thing still, you know, when me learn growing up, them always say, when you get a license, when you get a driver's license, you have to I don't remember exactly where them say, but it's like you get a ticket to hell. Yes, so once you have a ticket, once you have a driver's license, you have to prepare for all of that, because anything can happen. You can lick down somebody and boom, you're in a trouble with the law. You know what I mean? So, John Star. Anyways, let's get into this second visit to the court. Other one you go out? No. What is that one you go again? I don't even remember what this one you go. Yeah, man. So anyways, I got just speed up that one. So anyways, we get the second ticket what we get now, it was a seatbelt ticket. You know what I mean? I don't remember exactly what really happened. I think me just did those. I think me honestly did forgot to pay the ticket. Yeah, honestly forgot to pay the ticket. I tried to pay it online once, but it never did I go through. So, I don't know, I did left it. And then I forgot to pay the ticket. Right now. How I go on? Oh, no summons never come out for me that time there. I never make it reach no summons. I just appear in court. Like I just advise you guys, if you don't pay a ticket, make sure you go a code. Yeah, because I learned from the first one, you know. Go a code. Yeah, there's a date on the ticket for you to appear in court if you don't pay it. Yeah, so that's what I did. I learned from the first one. Yeah, so no summons never come out for me, and no police never look for me. Because you know I go already. A lot of times when someone's out, some of them police are them no business. Even if I want like a ticket, they no business, them are going to lock you up same way, because I think I that the on the paper. Suppose that the on the summons. Yeah, because I never see it and I don't know what the on the paper. You know what I mean? So I just that one. So anyways, I'm going to quote the second time around. You know what I mean? My time call up and thing, I'm going at the box. And I think I play again. I play guilty with explanation and thing now. And I tell them, say, but they try to pay it online once, but nobody that got through. And thing, and the judge did there. You know how them do for them thing again. Still I say what them say. Like them say, boy, if me guilty or not. Somebody just say, alright, me guilty. Leave it at that. You know what I mean? And that is the next thing to, you know, overall. Not with my situation, because my situation, I should actually remember and pay it in a timely manner, you know what I mean, before the time run out. So, what me about to say with that is that sometimes people not guilty and them play guilty just forget over a little situation like this. And sometimes the drivers, them may be not guilty at the time, but through them I say, now I end up in the back and forth and the courthouse and thing. Me wouldn't do the same thing, wouldn't play guilty too and just pay with themselves to pay. You know what I mean? And no bother with the ring of roses and the waste of time. So enough of the time, a lot of people just give up them rights that type of way. So anyways, going at the box and thing, and well, me did in the box already, you know, how I come out of the box. Yeah man, so me end up pay double. So the ticket was $2,000 and me end up pay $4,000 instead. So them double it and things. So them say what? $4,000 are 5 days in jail. Me that think about the 5 days, you know. I joke, me have me that spend up 5 days in a jail, man. So big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers. If you guys love this vibe, comment and let me know you don't know the thing. Big up and bless up to all all who watching from near and far. Enough respect for watching my last videos, and I really appreciate that you guys take the time out to subscribe to my channel. Yeah man, big up y'all nice clean self. Yeah man, enough respect in every aspect. Yeah, man, big up all my viewers and my subscribers them. You know what I mean? I really appreciate the feedback from the last video. Yes, even one person comment asking where I got the wind screen to purchase. Yes, I got it at, I think the place named BC&F Auto Glass. I'm going to pin the name of the place so you guys can look, so you can look for it on Google, because that's what I did. I looked for the company and Google. Yeah man, so I look for made a search and thing and I find it. And I want to tell you something, you know. A long time me I check the places them, even maybe they check that place before and thing, and they must say them not have it. You know what I mean? They must say them not have it, and it so happened that as me get the ticket, as a everything just pull through good and alright. And just want to big one up again. Yeah man, enough respect. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Big up yourself. Stay blessed, stay tuned. You know what I mean? In everything, remember to put God first, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Rayo. Big up yourself, man. Go on. There, man. Bless up on yourself. Just like how me I bless up somebody live and direct in my front ground. Because I know my background. Yeah, man. Somebody have passed by. But big up on yourself, man. More vibes, more love. That is it, man. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah man, big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers. Enough respect to all my new subscribers. Them you don't know the thing. Yeah, me say you no love the reasoning about how the police them give me the ticket and how me did have to get the windshield. How me did have to get the windscreen replaced in less than 24 hours. Yeah man, so big up. Now come down here, sir. Now come down here, sir. Now come down here, sir, Brad. That's I think when I'm going to do a video here. Yeah, man. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I just want to say big shout out to all my subscribers. You don't know, big up all my viewers. Yeah, big up to all the subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Yeah, man. And thing, big up on a nice clean self. Yes, I get distracted.